Look at this mess. If your Canva looks like a closet you keep meaning to organize, you've come to the right video. Let's delete a design in seconds. I love a tidy digital workspace, but sometimes that means it's time to let go and delete some designs. So in your Canva, head to your projects. Everything you've ever made in Canva lives here in the projects. Find the design you want gone. So I'm going to get rid of this copy of a design here. Click the three dots in the top right corner of the design. Click Move to Trash, and poof, it's off your dashboard. Canva keeps deleted designs in the trash for 30 days, so you can always bring anything back if you accidentally deleted something you need. So if you look over here in the corner, you see the trash is down here. I can go into the trash and see any of the designs that I've deleted. I can click the three dots and restore it if I need it. And if you want it gone forever, just open the trash and choose Delete from Trash. It'll ask you, are you sure? Because this is a permanent delete. This is the point of no return. So when you click Delete from Trash, it's gone forever. That's it. One tiny cleanup that makes Canva feel a whole lot lighter.